In today's video, I'll show you how to fix a blank desktop shortcut for Steam games on your PC in Windows 10 or 11. Let's get into the method. This problem can occur because you have previously changed the drive this game is installed on. To fix it, we'll start by adding the shortcut to the desktop if you haven't already. Feel free to skip this if you already have it. Open Steam, and then find the game you want the shortcut for in your Steam library. Right-click on the game here, and hover over Manage, then click on Add Desktop Shortcut. Now we have the shortcut, right-click on the game again in the Steam library, then hover over Manage, but this time choose Browse Local Files. We now need to copy the file path for this folder. You can do this by clicking into the address bar in the File Explorer when you see the cursor, for example just to the right of the icon on the left. Then copy this destination. Now head back to the blank desktop shortcut and right-click on it and choose Properties. In the Web Document or Shortcut tab, click on Change Icon. In the new window, click on Browse. This will open File Explorer. Next, paste the file destination path we have copied into the address bar in the File Explorer, and you should either see a list of Steam games here, in which case you need to open the game you're adding the shortcut for. You might already be in these files though. All you need to do now is double-click on the application file for the game. This is the one with the icon for the game. You should now see the icon, and you can click on OK to confirm this, then click on OK or Apply to save it. The icon should now be of the game. That's how to fix a blank desktop shortcut for Steam games on your PC in Windows 10 or 11. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.